All right, so now let's come back and review the pop again. So we said this dot elements size equals to no because we try to remove it, and then we do size minus. To return, we have to create the etemp to get it before we remove it. Get that last elements or the top, right? And then remove. All right, so now we also have to take care of exceptions, handle exceptions. Okay, we said let's look at handle exception for pop and top, meaning that you have to go back onto your I stack. Right, so you have to throw exceptions. When you do top, what happened? You don't want to top and from an empty stack. So this is an empty stack exception. And we can think about that to actually we create just exception once to use for all of this. Like it's empty, like empty list, empty stack, empty, same, right? Remove from empty, get from empty, contains from empty, DQ from empty. So we just do one exception class then. So we're going to create an exception class. I'm going to create a new package. Let's try to organize, right? Exception package. And just create a new exception class. Let's name it is it empty means what? Unbounded or bounded? Full. Let's just try to name. So I'm gonna say empty. Okay, empty. We have stack Q list del. It's going to use the same exception here, right? Empty. Okay, you said there's structure exception. So let's see empty ADT or empty exception. Okay, for now. Okay. Empty what? Empty list. It's empty list, right? Empty list exception. So this is going to extend from exception, right? And then we pretty much can implement the constructor of empty list exception that with an empty one that's called super, right? And with a message one that we can specify our own message string msg and then call super msg, right? So that's just the class for that. Now we can throw empty list exception, which you pretty much is going to have to update all your about it when we pop. I have to do pop too. Right, and when you top, you have to throw exceptions. And when we use it, the one who uses has to handle by surrounding with try catch or throw again, right? So that's how we handle it, right? So that's how you handle exceptions. Now, I think it's time. Then next time we're going to talk about JUnit and using linked list. Okay.